for a higher GC News, Mima Obibia Akwaba, Ahadia latest and hot news and qua enamide and Bremo. And we say we subscribe to channel ya Omodian say over subscribe. Dobayan say over click and subscribe button. Now what barely notification. We are the side video be uploaded with the first person I was a video. I feel we are now like give us a thumbs up, nothing. Share my so now when you be here, sunset Hadia latest and hot news and qua enamide and Bremo. I feel your boy and summer ababeto your console. I list to well, Manapuku, a regular panelist on the political talk show that was in some of the name a Supreme Court, ruling our by any Speaker Albans man Bagbin. I would declare 4 seats vacant Afenyo Markins, done a quarter Supreme Court. One a ruling on the better Bontina, a year acquire and Sunday brain, and Nuna list to well, the good every year, Papa, near what Chasey a year Chief Justice so, and yet what to be Eddie Amanan Amawada and Sabudwana Eddie. A tentemara your call list to a catching equity and summer what it took and a go and go and somewhere possible. It is all.
Oh, mammy, Sammy, president. 1 hour, just 1 hour. Mimpe bim. I dear me person, me president here, and it's a make wakofa, sa great dana, omudikoy galamsey. Yeah, I call sa Supreme Court anymore. A boom was your phone not yet. I now understand why Rollins did what he did. Yeah. Even though I understand it was not done by Rollins, he would have been right. Because Adia Torkornoo ye no nanu fiada no. Unim de betimi dia ba my way mu a. Sani pamians and you never celebrate them. Because omutimi dia dem de judge otimi dia ponche. Me. Okay, say bofu bi okojina okay say where did you come from to go to Kolebu? No busa Rojo Metenunu. Okay. Where did you come from to go to Kolebu? Obi te say gari ni mako or a lawyer ni. Hwe obri buahe or a lawyer. These are people you cannot find any space in academics. Say yes, or a lawyer. Obi te say gari. You cannot even put a sentence together. I'm not being denigrative, I'm being factual. Now, you cannot even put a sentence together. Because essay. Say myself, myself to be real. None the sentence concord on obeti subject verb agreement obeti the tenses and yet what bone where were a lawyer ni. So how did he qualify to become a lawyer? It is only because law apprentice no koyana. It's possible. I don't even know whether he was ever tutored by any teacher. But all these people are lawyers. Shobi to say Akufo Addo na mu no. On chan lecture room da ensua law da ba wo lawyer ni. Ono akasa no Asante Bediatuo ya wote America ya na adwena ti. Say wono so wo lawyer ni. Wo busan say Bediatuo ko school we he. O first degree hunya no we woni bi. But wo lawyer ni. And that is why I've always told you, said the Ghana Bar Association, no, and yet the most useless association ever to have found its life on this earth. It's the most useless. Look, what did you to chop about? Chop about what be the diamond? Yeah, it's what did you chop about for them? What did you call be about? Ube bonsa akufia koda. What did it be about for? It's the most useless. Because if you admit such uselessness, Gabby, we were a lawyer. Gabby, we were school. What tea? Emrano, what we throw city, were a lawyer. All these ex-convicts are lawyers. So the question is, what is the quality of justices we have? That is the question. Because sebi lawyer na bon Afenyo Markins or a lawyer. Obi a wo ye lawyer ni a wonim se mepacho ko Google lo na ko search for stay of execution. Just Google stay of execution. Now would you read it? Now be who say sebi and yes say obi a lawyer na chese onim nyansa na waben. Stay of execution. What does it mean? Now obi atimi aba file a very wrong application. E was Supreme Court o wan kwa nkoye no magistrate court, wan kwa circuit court, wan kwa high court, wan kwa your friend saying appeals court. Waba the whole Supreme Court. Na a judge for enum omu nyina Akufo Addo obonfu we ya the sa point omu nyina Akufo Addo ya wabo ya woni classmate one appointee a judge for you nyina nti a judge for ni nyina person tell me say omo call law school no omo ensure stay of execution omo nima de kro
stay of execution. A stay of execution is a court order to temporarily suspend the execution of a court judgment.
Simple, but your first you are we in here so obeko school obeko Harvard they say ayarega and answer President Kufo and san we hu sa law we eye nyansa any common sense na nyankopon eboa ebinumu a omudi nkan ba wiase and san ye ba say to make a law effective in this world put wisdom and common sense together and make sense. So if you look at how they have just rendered themselves very useless, it tells you why we are in this limbo. In a democracy, dictatorship has become the order of the day. And you know, Akufo Addo always looks for people who will always be yes men and yes women. Yes women because I was so kind of say yes sir. I was so kind of say yes sir. It will your bar no kasa was so say yes sir. We your bema no kasa was so say yes sir. And you was say in Kwaku any moi and odu o magu baby and o sorry no ayo mu koliku. O sorry a de meka bia kasa yes sir. It will kasa ma me abodam no so aka ma me abodam. Kasa o certificate o birth certificate ntimi fa anya no mo so akotro o birth certificate ntimi fa anya. It kwasi asam kwa. Kwasi judgment. Onu an kasa kasa o ma me echameku no akoka echameku ma me. Okofia no osu. Position ya me koji ye yo. Anka radin kama kru en pa me ho. Enti wagimi. Sauti wiase na wan kasa wo adwen na ma me de wako school na ma me se fa school na me de wako no fa be ya adwuma na fa bobra na wo da tintiri mba o mo so menya so fa so wo kwasi adwe ni wiado wako adi ka wie ka Kwaku Annan Yakupon atwa wo ka wonim nyansa wadwini so wadwira ye te sa akwa na Yakupon eba Yesu Kristo obu baby the parable of the talent o say na papa ni tukwan e no ma ne ma no me ma we enan ena me ma we mienu ena baako so me ma ne baako ma mi tokonu oni yama ne baako ya watutu fam no de akɔhye hoi Yakupon wadome ho ka se amen enti no eno me ne se Yakupon de talent atu trim wo talent ne se fa adwini kɔ sukuu ne fa kɔ nyansa ne fa kɔ nimdie ne fa bra ne fa beboa o manfo e fa membo ɔman Ghana what you made the wadwini ato fam te se anwam ena wo tie Akufo Addo ono woni certificate wo kura certificate they say Akufo Addo na e de ka enti unyansa wai oni pa ba unyansa ne hwan ugina bia ne he me tu ne fo ugina bia ne he say obi stay of execution abetu wanim na wonim say Supreme Court mo sabi mo adwuma mo ye wo wiase ma nyina ene say mo be interpret laws yasa you don't do anything more because anything you do is interpretation of law. Apart from that, there is nothing more. Now, ebio obi we busa say eba ne sen ena nipa numu a omukotena asem ne so no. Omu nyina adwini ko obankrom. Enti se bi ntafo krampo no obi a wona adwen. Oh. Enti nipa ba ti dabe na abeja wo koliko ye. What than zombie? Zombie no go talk unless you talk. Tell them to talk. Zombie. And am I a zombie?
Fella.
Obi a wono akwa jina on the ticket of MPP. Hoy. Say them to the swaba.
Yeah.
Oya panel member. Men kwala no mo ya adwuma o Global FM. O be transit studio to say dem ti hey. No Kasama MPP and he had na kwa to Supreme Court. You didn't count the neck a peace court.
Yeah.
The man is Supreme Court. Wabon Chekro. Judge ya wabon. It is sebi imperial sentence. Judge, it will go school. Who demand the affair stay of execution? Wait, you had not got to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court, and yes, you had not got to Tribunal. Tribunal crampo unqualified. Wait, me a presenter. Me fane kwa kwatena your friends and magistrate for baby omo lawyers but omo di nyansa ni nimdie na omo di bu aten
sure
na mama amayosem edidi muti to the extent say and then mama Supreme Court no akoye te say me say me ni a judge for mo wo UK your friend is saying US ebi wo Rwanda and ebi wo your friend is Europe in general now mini aba waka baby Georgette Amide Dejaba Nyankopon fa ne krensie baby okobia very brilliant and sharp otiko jaba mu elder sister on the name so am nim sa judge for enum nyina nti asem bi si Ghana ha I try to feed our platform and let them get me what it is that I should say sometimes and we are friends oba Ghana me and am do omo number bia now I was shocked to the marrow say ba ku na twe ma adwen si sa de we so say stay of execution ought not to have found its way. These are the words I can read for you verbatim. See, stay of execution ought not to have found its way in the Supreme Court because no court has adjudicated over a matter. One kind document na review. Who's a 5-page document? Yeah. Omuruli no. Okay, first preamble no, it's wrong. The application filed was wrong, so it was dead on arrival. Many of them would kind of stress. Why are we becoming this nuisance? The Ghana that we used to know, sir, this is the beacon of democracy. Now you tell me, on my way, say, Sebi yakoya nim ama say Africa obi esuasuan obi adwen ho say the gateway of Africa. The reason anunti yaka say the gateway of Africa no mostly was because of how we have conducted ourselves in the democracy. Sure. Despite all the military your friend say coup d'etat say ba yen in your manoma, look at how even the rulings that we the MPP antagonized was able to bring together a whole nation under the umbrella of democracy. Na nipa on mamenka secret wenchira hwe ndenti omudi sansam hunu no sa enkwasiafo miensa na omutisi Supreme Court me makase se NDC bawa da bi momumbu sade ni mfiri me umame se menye president 1 hour just 1 hour me mpe biem ade a me pese me de me president ya ni se me kwakofa sa grader na omudi koy galamsey yeah akọ sa Supreme Court anymore ebubu nkwasiafo ni nyina tiato agu. I now understand why Rawlings did what he did. Yeah. Even though I understand it was not done by Rawlings, he would have been right. Because unim adia Torkornoo ye no na nu fiada no. Unim de betimi dia ba my way mu a. Sani pamiensa you never celebrate them. Because omutimi dia dem de judge otimi dia ponche. Me. No de ko bu obi aten. Okoje bayire ko enya duro bayire kakra bi body batem ko bi momone ko totobi ko ma bon se timi ne oba no age odon oba dan oje oba timi je o girlfriend no de wakotum wey aye judge mama say aye time anu ti na me say me pursue law biem aye me time me kwa me ye kra me fan court me ya me kwa koye no Harvard nso na me ba no ma be kire mu se ne broni nyansa etimi sesa bibini adwen jimi adwen ya de ma wo man animu nte ya de ma wo so animu nte ene wo ba e ba be kan se maami Torkornoo Mr. Saki wo o papa Saki enti se na otie ne bra nie o papa no headmaster e wo ye friend ni sen kofredua wow mun ko busa de kura ya de papa yi na die odi adamudi eye den enti animguase e ba o papa akwan mu no enti mi sa kira wa brabo wagumu hu animu asiama ena akwala kura wo bo Supreme Court na obi e ka FC se kura de edi akwala no ye FC FC United woncheni United mu mamu animu ba nyam kakra na aye den enti mu de mo hwe the list of your predecessors count see the recognition they had. Even the very immediate past chief justices or your friend is saying immediate past crowd on the no a cromfo ni yebo a
kwasi ani ni
o ye cromfo che wo
wonu na go Supreme Court Kojo Kyeremanteng be
destroy no ono na unim sa impunity na je mensa Charles Mensa ayiri je mensa we grow wings and now nama soldier dinachi and some huno mu die ni nyina ye because of any yebo omo na sha se omo bu o man no ententia
se be bi owo bi
je bribe Jessica jadamudie gu hu fin and now unim there time crowd unim there time crowd omo wi na omo dwane akose Freemason
okomo
ni nua bambo bena ewo ho and then why ya bambo it's just like any association that you can find anywhere no ma dwane akose ho Freemason my worshipful brother omubugu mani mas eti wa unem so wagu $5 million wanye oje eti wanye ati wanu we yapam mimi ni FIFA ba ya obe FIFA won chan tro da me ka kire
oje
FIFA na nka won so nko be ka sa asem we oje ye eti dey na chese election petition wan ko dia dem die wo kokofo edua ono so that same kokofo edua wona wo de opa sikofo edua na busa ni ye bo ase. The first year be catch oba be bomb mamane onu ne edini ko ye GFA adamudie sa Anas video no yini film ani yeboa ona say Ghana football oka ho na Ghana football adamudie referee nya na omo bribe na football na say etino omo destroy Ghana democracy no to a certain level ebe hia se oman no ebe tenase na nimguase a ya krama ye ho te se de obi akọ China akọtọ nimguase import ahyepo ababe yinwo temahabo na odi akosi ni dem saa pepepe no mo aye na sebi unipani adue no ebi nie enti senya owura Bagbin na odi ni nimdie ni nyansa who say for some time Bagbin me shada na nya friends obi ase ada mi twi nanim e bi o me ya na me pese ni pa ukura wanim onyam a ohene ba sabi how many times have people called you say oh chale twaso na yempe kakrama how many times
bebre
enti sabi enti nka uton wanim onyam a e ka studio an katia how many times me omo kopake omo ka bi ene ne omanioma how many times ye nuanum ya ye ne omo ye adwuma obitimi frɛw ya den nkofo no kreje otimi be ka kire kra se ye mpanifo bi ije enti yeso ye nye ne kan anu ntum enti sabi mani monyam ne sa nipa kro no se sa nipa kro no oni ani monyam bi nipa wo jeje MPP fo sika se wonam kra na ofere because wa ko je MPP fo sika otimi nka o masem asem ne kra ya na otimi nka unia kukuodro se meti he make say free nyankopon na ma me oxygen nipa chaw nipa na ebo nipa de kra ye fake meboa etino wo wiase a me papa na kan wo se ani wutiri ani let your conscience speak to your heart think deeply because don't ever think say oh me yanamako wo ye dia tu nchirima ho sure because Torkornoo Oma will forever grow to come and see your history. Yeah, this is your history. Judgment. And look, make a second from memo. You may think say no, a guapawaso. Because you are not bear from 10 times so. Some centuries to come. Yeah, these voices will be played. Yeah. A bedroom no mana nanom netiasie. Omba be who say me na say na no tie. Because our breno sebi nim de ni nyansa say at the click of a button akwala dia obehunu wo ma me ana papa wo yeah and all these things will be available to them, so why won't you discipline yourself and for God's sake at least be that with conscience once for once, just with conscience at least let your conscience speak to you. Obi dia ba that moment na sebi hwanu ma egu wanim say nkwala nkodi omutrum ni no manioma da wanim ba besine ya ye ho ya ba ya mu demonstration aba wanim eno kura wantimi asi ho wanim ho ani wo nti wa ma se wo so akoye bi dade abeka oslo wo so aka wo so beka ne ehu beka ne ehu asem we ya asem a wo se nka akwa agina no abu we no ya asem a look at the speed
no we akogina so dem akopiriti
we na wo de puppet man na Yakopon won no me wo de puppet e no se wo menjina o puppet so mpreach a Yakopon be do me wo because Yakopon won pen kwase asenti na ne ba Yesu Kristo oba ya ohun se enkofo bo chacha to eton nyoma woni papa sorry dem we ye chacha sasu ba we ye fan kodina puppet so
dabi
na communion kwa ni kwa se odibi
dabi
na dia kodina puppet so wakoja dem dia be ye nkwase judgment we judgment akola ketwa kura po se nyasa ba kokra nim na wo na be speaker say onye na adwuma na ti wo school ya church separation of powers da eti bawo di Montesquieu wunti ni dida wuni me evidence wuni checks and balances na mama Afenyo we ya wa bon we
Afenyo
wa bon lawyer wa bon say na watinya Supreme Court judges so na watinya align them up nipa 5 na they say why you useless follow through cross offer so
Afenyo we
follow through cross offer so eti media make case ni pi se ni India no se no enya dia ehinta nipa kane no na Yakopon kan se bi se wode nsempa na hinta enyansafo e na odi ahye nkokwa no wode ka e de kiremu se enya wona wodwe se omunim nyansa no pe nanim nyansa muntie ha na ha na nyansa wo wokọ afasa kira wadwe ete se de sofu preach a kire wo na mitokonu tie nyansa na sacha wabrabo wo ya ye nome amoman Ghana enya Yakopon sa mu kekanyam sompa anim That's so famu aba afanya hwe mukikam anim hypocrites and I'm a suffer and I'm a preacher. Not all preachers know the word of God. Damn it. Heal thyself, you hypocrite. Hypocrite. Yakopon na se wose mefi botrobo afi wa famanum. Yakopon wa fi no. Would nyamenam na me Yakopon sofo saa unu se emani me enu nyina saa na omote ayi jemensa ofa bible so preacher che wa beka so no na Yakopon eto dame wono sana say strategy Ken Ofori Atta obi no obetuma ka se Ken Ofori Atta ukọ ka che obi se Ken Ofori Atta o shiwi a obegye di esu wi no entampe no opa brame fa nko ba bi o hye no anyoma wo betwe ware a bo mali kurantimi eso ware me wo hwe nani abeka so fa ba krada
me de minim se na nado na ehye
wo mu nyina your friend all tools gadamtion they all do the boaboa no na ehye ukọ kan o minim na adziban azibi no ozimam o se menchechi na mentwe jantum na me yare a me hia obeko so you can tell how people have been so wicked and mean against this country. And very soon, my book will be a Ebeba your friend, enemies of the state. It will be interesting to read. Enemies of the state. This state called Ghana, no, we have enemies. Or more are you usurping the powers of the people just to destroy Mother Ghana. And it's interesting how omudi sebua kwanso nada kwanso e dey say na Akufo Addo wanka human rights lawyer and obi koye galamsey say sasi say kwaye say fuo say nsuo okoye hu demonstration e say wo na wo ye galamsey campaign wo say on na ya konta no
wono
na wo se makwachi wo mo e de wo makogu afiase now when you judge this whole syndicate, said they be me can't say Akufo Addo created the syndicate from day one, and it was from opposition because he looked out for policemen, he looked out for lawyers, he looked out for justices, he looked out for your friend is saying a software, a handful, and all these people are part of the criminal syndicates who have now become the enemies of the state. And you know, boni omo ye, bibi omo ye, bibia no, opa kokase tia omo. They look out for you and make sure they give you a befitting punishment. Even though we are right. enkola ya ka o masemi na no na lawyer bi ya see a friend obo say adia Oliver Kotu ka de safo ano he was stealing people chow was stealing wo Google mu na law stealing in law na hwe the definition de be ma. It gives you one word that tells you say Oliver never stole. And so police at me control stealing say Oliver is stealing. Stealing as yet say who deprive will be adia ne dia perpetually. Kennedy in some ahe e video no do how many minutes? They do how many minutes? Now we were a lawyer. Omo make us say they only know the judges. And until I will call law school. He said me say I may very vociferous say because Ghana law school I'm marking it up that betime because you say bre ho na che say da bia no ye ho te say wo ye aboadwan na fa wo kwase apanyi nche me mfa sa kwase ani mpanyi nche me de me kwase no ebe ma me manfo ani ate ehun say mu nim nyansa etima anya lawyer mewu etino that is why we are here. You were lawyer for group of a year. The more we are MPP lawyer, no, you be a MPP lawyer biano. The only reason why be a owodi and our body is because on a judge no, a konaka na omo dem die betime hwe opa kwhwe Anas video no Anas exposé no. Yeah. Na hwe a judge for na Anas a video ne che omo no. No mo jeje konkontene a friend saying body ne baye ne banche no ene mponche no aponche ye so de ba ye pede ne block course ne so ye hwo aso wan fa de ne hwo aso ama ye nye ano upa akohwe a lawyer for na omudi asam na ma ye friend ne say omu nyina na omu Akufo Addo chambers wo omu nyina why didn't you take your time to watch the video? Cases ni nyina ye kan wasem ni nyina na Akufo Addo chambers wo. Wow. The only lawyer Prempe. Akufo Addo chambers no no qualify. Engineer friend Addo Prempe and Co no. The certificate way. Only certificate I want to be law chambers. What must say? I need to know lawyer Prempe or America. Between can the ache. Between can mean hun baby a. Tupa kubusem. What must say? And you know there are so many things that they don't know anything. Now a bedroom baby cry Ghana ha yet me say hey on law report ni di wom law report it is a magazine the patch we editor your story open our edit it is our Akufo Addo story no amount of bribe no publish and it's not just wapping when you say Jimmy when you know Ghana how I go law report mu law report na nya case bia ehu bia obi abetimi akọ law report mu sa woni editor Who is Mahamadu Torkornoo no edit law report. Eti Torkornoo ye law report editor. I didn't name the Supreme Court Chief Justice. He was one of the editors. No, you can find out. Sammy did Tróuble many mas Ghana mo bi ehun. And all these are the people that were doing the editing for Akufo Addo so that in future no ono susu ye be man a weekly and a yearly bonanza. Okay. Eti ye kono okay me de futu obi betum okay senka MPP 4 nyansa ani omo mra se bedwafo titru mienu na ba kuko suhum na Morrison na Cindy menya sure say na asem but se uma wani tra wani nton a enu bi na John Bodum mu ya party no etiti se konte ba Afenyo Mubenya 137 no. Yeah. We are say the nyansa ni ndie netna. So oni sa de we mi enu ate se de Johnson aba akokọ no. Untimi ntina we are say ema wo ho ento. Se de sebi ebema nipa apu aba ba hwe ni ndie ni nyansa nti. Na sebi impanifo say uni pani adue. Enti say MPP na esi wo no pani ben. Omo pani ni hwan. Aha. Enti na o man na say no. Until party na guo no when ye penny now say report I said be na me ba me IQ averages of the world report na ba say country 7 pen na ye nim nyansa chen omo ye free 9 na no ye nim nyansa chen omo no say mienu asa be BTN they say aka 7 Akufo Addo nti omo say adwin mo happen na mo adwin mo nya ha Akufo Addo ye o man penny Bawumia your vice president. NAPO bepe vice president edi. Ewo ye Kwame Nkrumah ne man.
Ya drum be ha te.
Na ya dwene mu nya ha hwe party MPP wo de for time dan botwe na ye general secretary o
yeah
hwe obi te say your friend say ohinto. How does that compare Kobia? Shaje ni mboate of blessed memory shalajete wo de agubodi no obetimi akọ even those that we ekran ni embuku omo krampo no yembuku omo krampo no the best today and qualified to reach the level. The best, the worst in the past. And then the best in Mpo cannot be compared to the worst. And you know, it has sunk so low. Now, sometimes me kokan, I quite say, media nye, and me who be there and I come for. Yes, machin anye fe. Na me who be there was me come for no. Can your man near cafe and this ho? Na me first no ye ka so be NDC ni ya on. Whatever. Na akwa me te say nipa bia. Ase wonim ne ho so hwe bi na ase wonim nyansa bi na ase wakọ join ko bi until say me ben NDC fo a me hu say certificate ko mo ye ni bi etiene no yen kakai ba bia ne ye free ye nyansa na ye wo se bi ene obi te say ye friend say o mampani kofo ade kanina na Ghana fo kra se bi NDC fo kra so mo mpena asem no na enye se wo ko ka se president kofo ni nyansa ene obi ama I say nyansani ne krampo no e wo so by force obeka bi ma enkwasiafo nti no say obi amfa ne die kra ma mampani kofo bi because obaba ka say Bawumia wey a man of destiny. Which destiny? Poor destiny or wicked destiny or what? Maybe he didn't want to tell us the truth by telling us what qualifies the destiny. What was it's very painful.
Okay.
According to say penini we say and then nyansa fo ni nyina any party ni and I say bin kwasiafo na edi ade na say this year etna from ananante from na enkwat na ponkoso a ebe ye no me mo man no etimesre say you move forward no we me fihwe nyansa eni nimde akira kwan we me kan Proverbs chapter 6 verse 6 o say okwadofo Akufo Addo okwadofo Bawumia okwadofo NAPO okwadofo Afenyo Markins ko intati ya nchen contact ya nchen intati ya abua ketekete wa wa wo fani die ma no wa wa beka se Mahamadu nyansa wa wa beka se ayi ye fani say na be die chire nim nyansa o so se ko intati ya nchen ko sua na kwan na hunu nyansa okay eno ni Proverbs chapter 6 verse 6 mun ko na mun ko kinkan na mun kan toaso na mun fansa kire ma bra botokonu contact ya nchen kusiana kwan ehunu nyansa
yo it for wedding and some year list to word and apoko ni sama wo de tudwa our react to a role na year Supreme Court editor abontin na no na de bu afu ye papa what you see a chief justice so out as a wada and subdugo na edi mega was disini so and our hero so we also subscribe we abomodi say subscribe to channel sense hadia latest and hot news and kwa and amede bramo after we are not like video no like the video na fe share my Akufo so na we be here na wo and similar koso e wo Ghana memo ano also betimi a share wadwen afaye somewhere nyina ho e wo comment box ni mo beti me nka bio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.